Hello friends, welcome to Learn Easy. Distance formula in coordinate geometry. Let 2 points are given. A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Let us draw here A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. We have to find out the distance of AB. Let us join A and B. Now let us draw a parallel line of y-axis from B which falls on the axis x1. Similarly, from A, let us draw a parallel line of x-axis which falls on y-axis. Let us name this point C. So what will be the coordinate of C? Now think. This is x1 and this is x2. So coordinate of C will be x2 again this is y2 this is y1, this is y1, so coordinate of C will be x2 y1. ABC is a triangle, right angle triangle. So hypotenuse square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Now AC square means AC square. AC means x2 minus x1. So AC square means x2 minus x1 square plus BC square means BC. So y2 minus y1. BC square means y2 minus y1 square. Then what will be AB? AB is equal to square root in both sides, root over x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is the distance formula in coordinate geometry. Now applying this distance formula, let us solve some sums. First sum is find the area of a circle whose center is 5, -3 and which passes through point -7, 2. Suppose this is the circle, this is center, center is O, 5, -3, and suppose this is the point A whose coordinate is given 7, 2. So this OA is radius of the circle. Radius of circle, that means OA is equal to root over x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square is equal to root over -7 minus 5 square plus 2 minus -3 square is equal to again root over -12 square plus 2 plus 3 5 square is equal to root over 144 plus 25 is equal to, if we add this it will come 169. If we square root 169 it will come 13. So 13 units will be the radius, but we have to find out the area of the circle. So area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Pi here given 3.14. is equal to 3.14 into 13 square. Now let us calculate this portion. It will come 530.66 square unit. Now the second sum is find the circumcenters coordinates of the triangle whose vertices are A 46, B 04 and C 62. Solution. Let us draw the triangle, one arbitrary triangle whose vertices are A 46, B 04 and C 62. Let us think this is the circumcenter. So when this is circumcenter, O let coordinates of O is AB. Since this is the circumcenter, so OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to radius of the circumcircle. Now OA is equal to OB. I am dividing the page, and OB is equal to OC. When OA is equal to OB, distance of OA is equal to A minus 4 square root over plus B minus 6 square OB is A minus 0 square plus B minus 4 square, or now squaring both sides we will get A minus 4 square plus B minus 6 square is equal to A square. A minus 0 means A square plus B minus 4 square. Now after expansion we will get A square minus 8A plus 16 plus B square minus 12B plus 36 is equal to A square plus B square minus 8B plus 16. So from both sides we can cancel A square, B square, and also this 16. So finally we will get minus 8A minus 12B plus 8B plus 36 is equal to 0, or minus 8A minus 4B is equal to minus 36. We can divide both sides by minus 4. That will give us this is equation number 1. Similarly, OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. So OB is equal to root over A minus 0 square plus B minus 4 square is equal to root over OC A minus 6 square plus B minus 2 square. Or squaring both sides we will get this is A minus 0 means A square plus b minus 4 square is equal to a minus 6 square plus b minus 2 square. Now after expansion, a square plus b square minus 8b plus 16 is equal to a square minus 12a plus 36 plus b square minus 4b plus 4. Or now cancelling both sides, a square and b square and nothing else. So we will get, let us rearrange it, plus 12a minus 8b plus 4b is equal to 36 plus 4, 40 minus 16. Or 12a minus 4b is equal to 24. Or if we divide both sides by 4, it will give 3a minus b is equal to 8. This is equation number 2. So solving this equation number 1 and 2, we will get the value of a and b. Let us write here 2a plus b is equal to 9. b cancel. 5a is equal to 17, or a is equal to 17 by 5. Putting a is equal to 17 by 5 in equation 1, we will get b is equal to 9 minus 2 into 17 by 5 is equal to 9 minus 34 by 5 is equal to 45 minus 34 by 5. This will give us 11 by 5. So O's coordinate is 17 by 5 and 11 by 5. This is the answer.